Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you a Lego zombie. Zayden likes to call it his Walking Dead zombie because he likes the game and the show The Walking Dead. So yeah. Okay, first thing I wanted to point out is this hand right here. It's all red and it kind of looks like bloody and stuff. Like maybe it's been feeding or eating or whatever. Then the face has really good detail on it. Well, can't see, it's kind of blurry right there, but glowing eyes and rotten teeth, and yeah, so that looks good. The jacket's all ripped up, and the pants are all ripped up, so yeah. Then the back, it has rips in the jacket in the back, and so yeah, the hat. So if we take the hat off, set it back up. There's like no hair, no second face, like some have on the back. Just really standard, but really, really awesome looking for a zombie. And I think Zayden wants to make a little video of The Walking Dead, and we'll have some characters, and this will be in it, and maybe some other zombies. I don't know. But this is probably the best zombie that we have right now. In fact, it is the best zombie that we have. So, yeah. See you later.